guys, thanks for tuning back into the channel. So today I'm gonna attempt to take off the quick release. I want to see how much room I could get between myself and the steering wheel. As of right now, I don't really have much room, so I want to see if I could get the feel for it without having a quick release, and also how much room I have. So let's get to it. Huge shout out to TIENDA for sponsoring this build, and let's start taking this apart. It's kind of hard doing it with only one hand. So here we have a 1/4 or 1/4 inch. I'll be using a extension and a 3mm Allen socket. I'm gonna go ahead and put the camera down so I can take this apart, and then when it's apart I'll show you guys. Alright, so I went ahead and took out the bolts, and there we go. Now we move on to the truck. Alright, so steering wheel, it's gonna go right there. Let me go ahead and put the camera down, let me bolt this up, and then I'll show you guys how the finished product looks like. Okay, so we just put all the bolts back. Right now I'm just gonna go ahead and tighten them. And you can't forget the centerpiece. Okay, so you guys see it? I honestly like this a lot better, to be honest. Like, there's so much more room in this. Like, the difference here, it's a lot. It's maybe like 5 inches. So yeah, I suggest this for all mini truckers. Alright, so you guys saw that this didn't want to go on. Well, kind of found out why. Let me show you guys. So this is obviously supposed to go in the middle, right? Well, here's the thing. When you don't have a quick release anymore, you don't have that extra space. So the nut is actually hitting on the back of this. So what I need to do is order a horn delete plate, which just obviously covers this up, but at least it'll cover that hole. But as of the install, it's pretty much done.